Hi everyone, this is Patty Furr, Jackson Heights Library System Director, and I'm here today at the Hamer Library, and we made great progress with the juvenile books. We've started to put the easy books on the shelf, and about halfway through juvenile fiction. And the folks who are working here are working hard every day to get these books sorted and back on the shelves. As we walk around the other side of the room, we see the African American collection here. Of course, the door with our security gates, and this is new today. We have our DVD shelves, so we're ready to put our audiobooks up. So Rosemary Leckett, the manager, is working hard with the staff every single day. Wave, Rosemary. You want to reopen, don't you? Very much. Yeah. These folks want to get this library reopened so they can see y'all again. So it won't be long, probably another week or two. And we're just waiting till the building can open because the building still has some construction going on. And we'll have to see when they'll allow us to open. But the computers are in place. We have probably 80% of the books now on the shelves. So we're closing in on being ready to open. So we hope to see you soon. Bye for now.